limited. Defunct. Ultra rare.
Hats and caps unboxings. Toot-toot! 7-line armies coming in. Let's take a look. There it is. 7-line army. Batsman. Neon batsman. That's the specific style. This is from New Era. Let's take a little bit of a close-up look of this. You can see the batsman. If you look, you can see it. Let's talk about the 7-line army. Is a group of fans, dedicated New York Met fans that travel very well across Major League ballparks across the U.S. All the teams, and they are at the Mets home games as well. And they're a group of dedicated fans. You usually see them in the outfield wearing their orange shirts or blue shirts or jerseys. They're all in the same type, wearing the same type of color. And the 7-line army organization has a bunch of New Era hats, and this happens to be one of them. But they're not selling this one at the moment. But this is the Neon Batsman. Let's take a look at this. This is a snapback, by the way. Let's take a look at the other features of this cap. This is the 7-line army, the 7 train that goes to Citi Field in Flushing, New York, Queens. So, and there's the snapback. But yes, the T7L. Side shot here. That T7L stood for the 7-line. We have a gray under brim. Gray UV. A lot of people love that gray UV. There we have it here. This is a polyester, and as I mentioned, the snapback and the 950. The guts of the inside of the cap. What do you think of this bad boy? Proud fan base in the New York Mets. For better or worse, 7-line army. They are a very proud fan organization type club per se. I think anybody can pretty much join it. You just have to follow the group per se. Not really exactly sure how you sign up, but that is that. Thank you for watching. If you like this type of content, subscribe to the channel, and we will catch you on the next one. And you have yourself a very beautiful day. So long for now.